how to fix TikTok sound removed or muted. So if you want to fix the TikTok sound removed or muted, then what you need to do is first, you need to open up TikTok and you'll see a notification on your inbox that says that your sound has been removed and you can replace the sound. You can go with the profile, which is on the bottom right, and then go with the three horizontal lines, go with settings and privacy, and then go with account. And here you need to go and switch to a business account. In my case, I already have a business account, but if you don't have, you can go and switch to a business account. Once you switch to a business account, you need to go back and then go with the plus option, which is on the bottom middle. Go with uploads and go and select the same video in which you don't have your sound. So go and select the video. Once you've selected, go with next, go with add sound, which is on the top, and then tap on got it. And from here you can go and add the same sound again. Go and search for the song that has been removed, and once you've added the same song, go and post it. Like I'll go with this one, go with the tick, go with voice or volume. You'll have a volume option, go with the volume, turn off the original volume and turn on the added volume, go with done, and that's it. In this way, you'll be able to fix TikTok removed or muted sound, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.